Hey, it's Dave from Aspirant telling you how to get the most out of PowerPoint, and a quick best practice for today when working with images in PowerPoint that don't have a transparent background already. I see this a lot when people send me decks to format for them. Sometimes you drop an image onto your slide, and due to the image type or maybe the resolution, you have a solid background color that comes out pixelated, or it just doesn't match the other elements on the slide. I actually see this the most whenever we're doing something for a client and need to use their logo in our materials. So I'll share my screen, and let's say that we're developing a slide that has a lot of logos on it. We need to add a new one. All the current logos, they all match. The background color is transparent already, or it's white to match the white background. But maybe we need to add in a new logo from the client, and it doesn't have that white or transparent background. So after we resize it and get it where we want onto the slide, the quick fix here is to go up to Picture Format and go to Color and hit Set Transparent Color. Now, I see a lot of people try and play with recoloring, and that's actually going to make a faded look, as you can see there. We don't want to do that. We don't want to lose the image integrity. So we would just hit Set Transparent Color, click on the background color, and it's all gone. Everything is uniform, and it looks great.